What is up? It's Lee dancing to Little Toy Guns by Carrie Underwood once again, but this time I should know it better. If not. Anyways, camera on me. Good way to start off the day.
In between the coats and the closet, she's gone to a heart-shaped market. Sitting around a family fathers, where there ain't a pretty picture to admire. Mom and Daddy just won't stop it, fighting at the top of the faucet. Going through the rough catastrophic, she's caught in the crossfire. Puts her hands over her ears, starts talking through the tears. She's saying, she's praying, I wish words were like little toy guns. No sting, no hurt, no, just a pain. People of your tongue, words were like air. No smoke, no bullets, no kick. No damage done, wish words were little toy guns, just a bit. You know that your tongue, wish words were like little toy guns. Wish there was a way that way, that we would just make it. It was just a game they played. Shooting another cowboys. Leave the plastic pistols in the front yard. For this good heart. Just turn off all the noise. Wish words were like little toy guns. No sting, no hurt, no. Just an anger. Tongue. Wish words were like, yeah. No smoke, no bullet, no kick from the trigger, kick from the knob. No damage done. Wish words were like little guns, just a bang. Pull off your tongue. Wish words were like little toy guns. Like a knife, I wish I'd break inside. Yeah.